most common type of student visa is the F visa, and it's available to international students who want to come to the U.S. to pursue full-time academic studies or language training programs. Not all schools qualify to host students in F visa status. You can only receive a student visa if the institution you want to go to is one that has been approved by the Department of Homeland Security through the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. It's also called the SEVIS program. There's an online database that contains all SEVIS-approved institutions, but you obviously need to make sure that the program you're interested in attending qualifies before starting the process. One major source of problems for people here in F status is employment. Basically, students can't work while they're here to study. Doing so could place you in violation of your status, and it could lead to the termination of your visa. One major exception is that students are allowed to work in an on-campus, like a work-study position, for no more than 20 hours per week. And after being here in the first year of your F visa status, you may apply to get a work authorization if you can prove that you're suffering severe economic hardship caused by some unforeseen circumstances beyond your control. That's actually the legal phrase for it, but basically it has to be a major emergency that you couldn't have predicted beforehand. Most people won't qualify for this, but there are some who will. There are a few other exceptions to the working rule, such as working while you're in school, or working while your school is not in session, and also for designated internships, but you want to make sure that you consult with an immigration attorney before accepting employment, just to make sure that the work you accept won't violate your status. Generally, F1 student visa holders are allowed to enter the U.S. 30 days before their academic program starts, and they need to leave the U.S. no more than 60 days after the conclusion of the program. It's very important to pay attention to these dates and to depart on time, because overstaying your visa could lead to problems re-entering the country down the road. If you have any questions about applying for a student visa or about what your options to change your status or renew status after your studies here are over, give us a call for a free consultation. We can complete the student visa application for you from here while you are abroad, and many times, very much more importantly, we can handle any renewals or changes of status that might arise after you're already here.